Do you feel stressed? Practice deep breathing. The solution to most of your stress-related issues is to stop what you are doing and breathe deeply. Slowing down your breathing pattern helps you to deal with the effects of feeling anxious, angry, frustrated, or worried. It prevents you from experiencing shortness of breath, fast heart rate, increased blood pressure, and hyperventilation. These are just the beginning of all the stress-related symptoms that your body experiences. Do deep breathing exercises daily to balance the amount of oxygen you inhale and the carbon dioxide you exhale. Take note of the rhythm of your breathing right after resting for a long period. As you go about your day, observe the activities, events, or people that cause your breathing pattern to change. On the spot, inhale slowly for 6 to 8 seconds and exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. You will feel calm immediately.